हाय एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ ब्रीफ बैंटर पॉडकास्ट। सबसे पहले हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे टू ऑल द वुमेन ट्यूनिंग इन टुडे। आज का टॉपिक ढूंढने में मुझे बिल्कुल मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी। आई जस्ट हैड टू फाइंड समवन जो इस टॉपिक पे अच्छे से कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सके, समवन हु कैन स्पीक कैंडिडली yet impartially about what this day truly represents. So let's welcome Sneha. Hi Sneha, how are you?
Hi Sony, I'm good. How are you?
मैं भी बढ़िया हूँ। हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे टू यू।
Thank you, Sony. Happy Women's Day to you and wish you all women out there in the world Happy Women's Day.
So Sneha, to start off, could you just share your thoughts on what International Women's Day truly represents and why this day is so significant? I mean, what makes it so important to recognize and celebrate women around the world every year?
Yes, Sony, for sure. So, International Women's Day is usually celebrated on March 8th, and this has been happening from 1977. So, इसका history ये है कि 1900 से like a lot of women, like I think 15,000 women in the New York City started, protesting for equal rights, equality, like ready to vote, like equal job opportunities and no racism. So वहाँ से लेके अब तक so many women like have fought for this one day, like to show their, perspective on all women should be treated fair and job opportunities and equality in other gender basis, everything. So इसके लिए mainly Women's Day celebrate होता है. And Women's Day is mainly like celebrating, victories of women, like उनके achievements, जो उन्होंने अब तक, like किया है life में, वो सब celebrate करने के लिए ये day का significance होता है. So that is International Women's Day.
सो हम में से बहुत लोगों को ये क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है कि कैसे फेमिनिज्म और इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे इंटरलिंक्ड है। मैनी ऑफ अस फेल टू सी द कनेक्शन बिटवीन द टू। तो इफ़ यू कुड एक्सप्लेन कि कैसे ये दोनों इंटर रिलेटेड है इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज।
Okay, sure. So अभी आप okay, in simple language, आप जब वड़ा पाव खाते हो, so there is pav and vada, and without each other they don't taste well, correct? So abhi same way feminism and Women's Day go hand in hand. Abhi feminism is a concept of equality. What women want in this world is not just, equality in work, equality in this. We are asking for cerebral equality. इसका मतलब ये है कि हर चीज में women को like एक इक्वल स्टेटस दिया जाए, लाइक बी इट एट वर्क प्लेस, अगर लाइक ये स्टीरियोटाइप्स बंद करने के लिए फ्रॉम मेन कि विमेन आर नॉट अलाउड टू लाइक डू दिस काइंड ऑफ अ जॉब, इसमें फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत है, इसमें मल्टीटास्किंग की ज़रूरत है, विमेन आर स्पेशली गुड व्हेन इट कम्स टू मल्टीटास्किंग. सो जब ऐसे स्टीरियोटाइप्स हम सुनते हैं, ये सब बंद करने के लिए फेमिनिज्म इज अ मूवमेंट वेयर वी आर डिमांडिंग फॉर इक्वालिटी, बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट इक्वल स्टेटस कि जो मेन कर सके हम भी करेंगे. इट इज़ नॉट अ कॉम्पिटिशन एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक women are superior to men and men are superior to women. No, feminism does not promote that. Feminism is all about equality and equal status. ऐसा कंपटीशन नहीं क्रिएट करना है, लाइक हाउ लाइक पीपल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड दीज डेज आर पोर्ट्रेइंग कि ये सब एक कंपटीशन है. नो, इट्स नॉट अ कंपटीशन. It's all about opportunities. And when it comes to Women's Day, it is celebrating these opportunities. Like मैंने जैसे पहले बोला था, like हम फेमिनिज्म में like एक मूवमेंट आता है where you're like okay, I can do this and you're doing this. So this is the base to celebrate that, like Women's Day. And इस साल का Women's Day का थीम है Accelerate Action. इससे आपको पता चलता है कि आज तक जितना भी हम लड़ चुके हैं ये फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट्स के लिए, अब तक नॉट ऑल द राइट्स हैव बीन इशूड. सो एक्सेलरेट एक्शन इज मेनली टू लाइक एक्सेलरेट द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ ऑल इक्वालिटी स्टेटस की ऑल दीज पेरियरिटीज जो है लाइक ये इक्वालिटी के नाम पे वो सब easily सबको अवेलेबल हो, ऐसे एक्सेलरेट कर रहे हैं आजकल. So that is this year's Women's Day theme.
टॉकिंग अबाउट इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इससे मुझे याद आया कि आई हैड सीन अ वीडियो क्लिप ऑफ प्रियंका चोपड़ा वेयर शी सीम्स टू बी काइंड ऑफ बिट अनॉयड बिकॉज समवन फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इक्वालिटी एंड शी एक्सप्लेन्स टू हिम दैट equality is not about physique. When we talk about equality and opportunity, we talk about cerebral opportunity.
Exactly. मैंने भी वो वीडियो देखा है. It's true. What she said is absolutely right.
आप जेंडर इक्वालिटी को कैसे डिफाइन करोगे एंड व्हाई इज इट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड सपोर्ट इट?
It's a very interesting question, but answer gender equality के question में ही है. आपको नहीं लगता? Because it's like gender equality. It's a status. It's male, female. But आजकल बहुत सारे genders है हमारे देश में. It's like there's transgender and there are genders where like अगर we are born as men, they are converting themselves into women and then women are converting themselves into men. So there are many genders that way. But don't you all think that हमको ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि like just because they have converted their gender and they are not either male or female fully, इस basis पे differentiation होना ही नहीं चाहिए when it comes to opportunities, because at the end of the day it's all about skills and wits. and अगर आप कर सकते हो and आप multitask कर सकते हो, आप बात कर सकते हो, आपके पास intelligence है, then why should we be differentiated based on gender?
So, in what ways do you think International Women's Day inspire people to take action and drive change?
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब से इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे आया है, like a lot of people are knowing more about women being astronauts, women being CEOs, women being in politics, women being in fashion, and we are getting that hinge ki, yes, women can be anything. It is that powerful feeling, don't you think, Soni?
Of course.
Exactly. So Women's Day actually inspires people to raise awareness. आजकल इतना awareness बढ़ गया है women में कि we know when somebody is hinting us or trying a stereotype on us, we can raise our voices back कि no, this is not what it is. हम ये कर सकते हैं. And we can also raise awareness on racism against women. And we can always, cut stereotypes where people say or relatives say कि इतना पढ़ के क्या फायदा बेटा, घर का काम ही करना है. No, it should be women's choice to do घर का काम. It should not be a decision made by patriarchy. So it is my choice to work from home or work for home. So I don't want people to come and tell me that you are this, you are a woman, so your work is this. No. So IWD से ऐसा awareness मिलता है कि अपना आवाज उठाओ, you can raise your voice against this and it creates awareness. And I know for a fact कि social media is very powerful these days, and a lot of people, even small villages, districts, be it in India, be it in the US, be it anywhere in the world, everybody uses social media for something or the other. So जब ऐसा awareness बढ़ रहा है, so आजकल people are educating girl children from the beginning कि yes, women are doing a lot of work these days, sometimes more than men, they can multitask. So ऐसे awareness से आजकल गर्ल्स को भी एक opportunity मिल रहा है स्कूल जाने के लिए, पढ़ाई करने के लिए, कुछ भी करने के लिए.
So why is it important for men to recognize the value of feminism and actively support it?
Well, I mean, this is a very good question. And don't you think understand, okay, let me put it in simple words. When it comes to a relationship between a man and woman, it is never 50-50. It is most of the time 70-30, and it is played both sides. Sometimes men do 70%, women do 30%, and sometimes women do 70%, men do 30%. But why is it that women are only the ones to understand men? Can't it be the other way? Sometimes hum bhi, we have a difficult day at work, we come back home, even we would love to have a cup of tea if somebody serves it to us at our place. Don't you think so? So it is just that when I say that have to understand feminism, they should understand that it's not a competition between man and women to reach for a trophy. It is not. It is just about understanding and breaking stereotypes. So actually, it's advantageous for men because there is a stereotype everywhere that men don't cry, boys don't cry, girls cry, boys don't. So if they actually break the stereotype, because I've seen men cry and it's nothing wrong. It's good to, like release your emotions sometimes. You shouldn't be ashamed of doing that. Don't you think so?
Yes, of course. And I don't know why crying is seen as a sign of weakness. It's simply a way of expressing one's emotion. And I think it's natural and healthy response, not something to be ashamed of course.
Exactly. That's my point. So when men start to understand feminism in the right way, they will know that there is nothing to be ashamed of. Even if a woman is better than you at work, you can always take it as a positive sign to learn from her. Have an open mindset. That is what understanding means. You don't have to always be disgraced by the fact that a woman has more intelligence than you. There is nothing to be ashamed of it. If I am not intelligent and a person who works with me is more, like smarter than I am, I would love to gain those skills being a woman. Okay. So I'm just saying this should be the thought vice versa. It should not be one-sided thought. And also understanding feminism and also understanding, equal opportunities means that you're getting progressive in the society. So abhi men should also get equal amount of, like paternity leave or whatever when the baby is born, so that, wo bhi bacche ko understand kare how it works, and, so that even the moms can get some sleep. So that way the dads can bond, and that way the dads can also take care of the kids. Okay. Because often jab hota hai ki, like when the baby is born, the mother is the one taking care of the kid and the dad goes back to work from home or just going back to work. That is not a fair process, don't you think?
Yes, and I believe organizations are starting to recognize the importance of paternal leave and are now allowing their male employees to take time off when they become fathers. So, slowly but surely, things are changing.
Yes, and I completely agree with you. These days, I have seen excellent, like progress in industries and corporations where they are forcing dads also to take the leave to help out the mother because it's an equal responsibility. So, this is a clear remarcation of how society is changing and how men are also accepting, like thoughts of women into progress. This is what I call understanding feminism. And ispe aisa karne se, like it's also that like men also have an advantage over here, so they can express their feelings. They don't have to hide their feelings. There's nothing to be ashamed about. So it's all about understanding and perspective, and it's already happening, and I see that it's happened in a lot of places now, but I would still hope that it happens everywhere.
देयर इज दिस ऑनगोइंग डिस्कशन अराउंड फेमिनिज्म जहाँ कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि ये आइडिया तो अब बहुत आउटडेटेड हो चुका है और अब इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस?
अगर जेंडर इक्वालिटी फुल्ली अचीव होता and we have achieved everything about feminism, I don't think the Women's Day theme would be accelerate action. Don't you think it's very ironic?
Exactly.
So, according to me, when people say that, yeah, this point of feminism is outdated, I would say it's not. I mean, it's all about perspective. So, if you say it's outdated, I would say it is not. It is still ongoing. But, like just because you are a man doesn't mean that it will work out the way you want, right? Like it's all about perspectives. And I strongly believe that it's an ongoing process. Aajkal social media is influencing it so well, like, like everywhere. Like you have you seen this hashtag Me Too movement?
All lives matter, Black Lives Matter.
Yeah, it's not just Black Life Matters. All life matters, like you said. Every woman matters. Every man matters. Every gender matters. So it's hashtag gender equality. That is what I'm talking about. Like everything should be considered equal and everyone. So this will take some time because we have elders, we have ancestors, we have a lot of people with different mindsets, and it's not possible to completely convince them. But as far as I have seen, society is beautifully accepting people these days. They're accepting the change, like the change in women working, the change in women being powerful. So I think that is a start.
ये काफ़ी इंसाइटफुल कॉन्वर्सेशन था एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू फिनिश. सो थैंक यू सो मच स्नेहा फॉर शेयरिंग योर थॉट्स ऑन सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक.
Thank you, Sony. Thank you for having me on your podcast. I hope like people watch it and like at least they don't have to appreciate my views, but I think most women think similar.
Hope you enjoyed this conversation as well and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. मिलते हैं next episode में. Thanks for watching.